Hello friends, today we are dealing with fibrous proteins. These are highly elongated polypeptides generally composed of single secondary structure. They are primary component of skin, tendon, bone, connective tissues, etc. Fibrous protein mainly function as structural materials that have protective, connective, or supportive roles. The example of these proteins include alpha keratin, collagen, elastin, and silk fibroin. These proteins are insoluble in water due to the abundance of hydrophobic amino acid residues both in the interior of the protein and on its surface. First is alpha keratin. It is evolved for strength in mammals. Alpha keratin constitute almost the entire dry weight of hair, wool, nails, claws, horns, and much of the outer layer of skin. It is the member of broader family of protein called intermediate filaments, which are found in cytoskeleton of animal cells. All intermediate filament proteins have structural function. Epidermolysis bullosa simplex is a rare genetic disease characterized by extremely fragile skin and recurrent blisters formation. The major reason is mutation in keratin gene. Next is silk fibroin. It is the protein of silk produced by insect and spiders. The polypeptide chains are predominantly in antiparallel beta conformation in the structure of these silk fibroin. It is rich in alanine and glycine residues. The overall structure is stabilized by extensive hydrogen bonding between all peptide linkages in the polypeptide of each beta sheet and van der Waals interaction between sheets. The structure of silk fibroin is flexible because the sheets are held together by numerous weak interactions rather than by covalent bonds. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.